Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I've got a whole bunch of these pumpkins that I made for the coming fall season. I'm gonna make some cards, I think, with these. So if you want to see how I made these, stick around. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me make these, and you can get different variations of one color just by the pressure that you put when you are using the brush. And the lighter, of course, the lighter pressure, the lighter the color will be, the heavier the pressure, the darker it'll be. Also, the more you go over it will make it darker. So I hope you guys found some inspiration. You guys are excited about fall season coming up here shortly. And hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!